Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I actually want to share something really cool with you. I'm actually going to share with you how much money can you actually make with dropshipping. So I'm going to give you a real life example and we're going to actually look at the actual figures, right? So in front of you right now, you see a monthly statement. This is Etsy, by the way, in case you didn't know that. You see a monthly statement for this store here, which sells pretty much a lot of wall prints, stickers and things like that, right? So the net profit, or the total sales rather, £4,519. And if I just refresh this page, just to prove to you guys that that's obviously real, you can see the net profit from Etsy is £2,712. So essentially, that £2,755 is how much money this store was paid directly to the bank account. Okay, so that's how much money. When you see the net profit figure on Etsy in your monthly statements, the net profit figure is essentially, it's your total sales minus any deductions like refunds or your total fees, any marketing spend on Etsy, things like Etsy ads and postage costs as well. And considering that all of the postage labels are purchased for this store on the Etsy platform directly, there's no external postage being purchased. You can see here, you can see all of the Etsy fees, and you can see all of the marketing spend, which is basically just a fraction. It's less than 2% of the total value. And you can see the sales as well. You can see all the sales there and the refunds and what have you. But essentially, yeah, £2,755 is what you can expect to get paid by Etsy from total sales of £4,519. You can see total Etsy fees are £843, roughly comes out to about, top of my head, I think that's around about 18% all in. Marketing, like I said, is less than 1 or 2% at the most. The store does not rely on Etsy ads whatsoever. And the cost of labels, which again, £702.52 comes to roughly 16 or 15% of the total sales. Now, the amount of money, or the net profit that you receive from Etsy, this £2,755, obviously does not include the cost of actually purchasing the products that you are selling. So let's factor that in as well. Now, all of the products that this store is selling are products that we physically actually manufacture and produce, and we give you access to sell all of these products as well. So there is absolutely no reason why you cannot make these sales for your same, because we actually give you access to exactly the same products. Okay, so those products you can sell every single one of them. There is more than 2,500 products available to you in our catalog, and you can get access to that right now completely for free using the link in the description down below. So assuming you make this amount of sales, you'll get this amount of money paid to you to your bank account from Etsy. Now, how does it actually work with us? Well, we have a program called the Dropship Accelerator, and what this program costs is £395. Let me actually drag in our seller support. You can get access to this as well, completely free. This is our Slack workspace. If you want to get direct access to me and ask me some questions, there's a link again in the description down below, and you can get completely free access to this Slack workspace. Now, I posted a picture of this same statement in this morning. This is why I'm making this video today. And as you can see, Etsy monthly statement for September showing 4,502 in sales. Monthly profit from Etsy, excluding the cost of the products, is 2,755, and you can see that all relates to what I'm showing you on the screen here. This is the amount that you can expect to be paid to your bank account from Etsy. Now, our Dropship Accelerator, which is what I am sort of telling you about in this video, costs just £395 for every £1,000 in sales, and for that you get all of your products supplied completely free of charge. So we will supply all of your products completely free of charge for a one-off fixed cost of £395 per every £1,000 in sales that you do. So this essentially means that when you enroll in our Dropship Accelerator, it is by far the cheapest way for you to essentially resell and buy our products as you make sales. Based on the sales of £4,502.19, this is exactly what you can expect to make in actual real net profit. This is money that you keep. So the total net profit is £1,165.71. That is the amount of money that you keep, that everyone is paid, we are paid, Etsy are paid, all the shipping labels are paid for. That is how much money you can expect to make, and that is a net profit of 25.89%. So that is effectively £250.80 in your pocket per every £1,000 of sales that you make. Now, for those of you who don't know that much about dropshipping or what you should expect from dropshipping, well, you can Google this if you want. That's exactly what I did. Dropshipping has an industry average profit margin of between 15 and 20%. And for those guys who are, and gals, who are reselling our products, exactly same products I just showed you a moment in that store, they maintain profit margins that actually outperform the dropshipping industry averages by up to 11.9%. And that, if you put that into monetary terms, that is effectively an extra £118.90 in your pocket per every £1,000 of sales you make. So that's how we can essentially enable you to beat the industry averages. You can make over 25% net margin as actual money that you keep with our Dropship Accelerator, which just costs $395 as a fixed cost for every £1,000 in sales. And the bonus to that is you can actually sell our products at any price that you want. It doesn't matter. It's £1,000 in sales regardless of what price you're at. So if anyone complains about, oh, I can't sell your products because they're too expensive, well, that simply does not apply here, because we actually let you set your own prices. You can set your prices out wherever you want, and that excuse just does not come to play whatsoever, because you pay $395 and you get £1,000 worth of sales. So if you sell your products for £1 each, which, by the way, that's a joke, I don't recommend you doing that, because you've still got to pay for the shipping labels. But yeah, you can essentially set your own prices. You get that entire £1,000 of sales for just a fixed $395 cost. I don't know of any other supplier that offers dropshipping that does anything similar at all. So if you are not already enrolled in one of our accelerator programs, that being either our Dropship Accelerator, which is this, which I'm showing you right now, or our Print on Demand Accelerator for Etsy, or our Shopify Accelerator, or Shopify Launch Accelerator rather, all of which you can find all the information about on our website. There's links for that in the description down below. If you're not enrolled in any one of those programs, if you are, you're already getting this benefit anyway. But if you are not, and you want to start selling our products right now, and you want to achieve these results for yourself, then you can do it with our Dropship Accelerator, and it costs just $395. The link for that, for you to sign up right now, is in the description down below. So there you are, guys. That is a real life example of just how much money you can expect to make with dropshipping. And if you want to sell our products, then you can make up to 11.9% above the industry average. So there you are. If you have any questions, leave in the comment down below. Besides that, if you are interested in joining, head to the links in the description down below. You can create a free account on our website. You get complete access to all of our products, completely free of charge. You get access to all of our content, resources, and training, all of that free of charge as well. Get direct access to me, again, completely free of charge. You can join our Slack workspace. Link for that is down below. And if you have any questions, just reach out to me inside of Slack directly, and I'll be more than happy to help you guys get started. So there you are. I'm going to leave this video wrapped up now, short and sweet, under 10 minutes, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.